How to use turn on, turn off, turn down, and turn up, along with examples. Turn on. Meaning activate or start something, typically a device or a source of light or sound. Examples. Please turn on the heater. It's cold in here. She turned on the radio to listen to the news. Can you turn on the computer for me? Turn off. Meaning deactivate or stop something, such as a device or a source of light or sound. Examples. Don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving. It's important to turn off your phone during the movie. He turned off the engine and got out of the car. Turn down. Meaning, reduce the intensity or volume of something, or decline an offer or request. Examples. Could you please turn down the music? It's too loud. Unfortunately, they turned down my job application. She turned down the invitation to the party. Turn up. Meaning increase the intensity or volume of something, or appear unexpectedly. Examples. Can you turn up the volume on the TV? I can't hear it well. She turned up at the meeting just in time. I hope something good turns up soon. Remember, phrasal verbs can often have multiple meanings, and their usage can vary based on context. The examples provided should give you a sense of how these phrasal verbs are commonly used in different situations.